What's up, everybody? This is Tony with Alternative Living Spaces, and right behind me is possibly one of the coolest containers we have ever built. It's a 40-foot shipping container that's been converted into a tiny home, but this thing has all the bells and whistles, has over 16 windows. This thing has a rooftop deck, beautiful countertops. Can't wait for you to see it out. So right now we're in the living room. This space is where you'll have your TV mounted up on your wall. Sofa goes right here in this space. What's nice about this is a ton of natural light. So just even right here in this room, you're surrounded by 4 really large windows. Inside this container, I love the rustic wood beams that we did. So going down all the way down the container, there's 5 rustic wood beams, really pops against the white background and gives it just that nice character that you really do want in a tiny home. One of the coolest things about this unit is the all glass, basically original container doors. So these right here are actually the original doors on the container. We modified them. We cut out the metal panel that was kind of in this space and then inserted this entire piece of glass. This door is completely operated, so you can lock it right here, or you can open it up and swing it right open. Same thing with this side. Really opens up the space. So for the next space is the kitchen area. The kitchen area on this unit turned out amazing. So you got your waterfall granite countertop. Love how this turned out. Love the gray that's right in that. We have a farmhouse sink, super large, almost 36 inches in width. 2-burner induction stovetop here. She chose to go with the brushed nickel finishes on everything. And then I do love these windows, just 3 really nice windows. A good way to just capture the view that she's gonna have on her property. And then even behind us with the French doors allowing that light in as well. Just feels like a really open space. We added a couple floating shelves just to give it a little bit more character. And then she's gonna have an undermount fridge and an ice maker as well under that countertop. The next space right down the hallway is the bathroom. The bathroom also has a really nice rustic door. We made this door from scratch, so a nice wood barn door with stainless steel hardware up top and for the handle. As you walk in, similar features to the kitchen. This unit has the quartz countertop, has the under cabinetry that matches the kitchen, did a white vessel sink with that brushed nickel hardware, brushed nickel mirror, toilet in here of course, and then shower, has a frosted glass window, love that touch, and then she'll be actually installing the tile on site. The last space is the bedroom. What I love about this floor plan is you notice there's no door, so completely open floor plan. This room is great. It has the built-in speakers as well as here and in the living room. Connects via Bluetooth, so awesome way to just play some music. It really, in a small space like this, it sounds amazing. Coming down the hallway to this room is just consistently floor-to-ceiling windows. Love how that feels. And then in this bedroom space itself, you have 6 windows. So tons of natural light. If you're in any area that's scenic, that you have views, you're gonna be able to capture those views. Inside this space, she's gonna be providing the furnishings. So she'll be having her bed go against this back wall, a dresser on the opposite end with her TV, and really should feel like a really homey space. Last thing, let's go outside because right above us is actually a rooftop deck, and I'm excited to show you it. All right, so we're on top of the rooftop deck. This is a 20-foot by 8-foot rooftop deck. What's great about this is it actually is built with collapsible railings. So for transport, we fold the railings down, deliver the unit. Once it arrives on your property, the railings pop right up. We have a staircase entry to get up here. And then the decking on this is all Trex decking, clamshell gray, really nice color, really durable. This stuff has a great warranty and is great really in any climate. One of my favorite features about the rooftop decks is really the panoramic views. If you're in any location that has great scenery, great views around you, it's an amazing place to hang out, watch the sunrise, or watch the sunset.